All right, we just got this and we're gonna check it out. It's a label printer. Kind of cool, right? See if we can get it open. I know it pops open somehow. Oh, there we go. All right, cool. All right, so anyway, you do get, you know, the instructions, more instructions. It looks like this has all the accessories in it. And here is our printer right here. So let's go ahead and get her out of its package. All right. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna save this stuff just in case. So let's go ahead. Let's save the box, right? We don't want to lose the box because we may need to store it. So I'll set that there. Let's bring this over here. All right, so here it is. This tells you all about it. Goes around. It has a cord and a USB port. It's got its on and off switch here. So let's set that down. All right, so we know that. All right, so here's our accessories. Let's see what we got. There's your cord and transformer. And that's it. And a USB-C to USB-C. All right. So basically, we just have to plug this in. I'm just going to plug it in here. And then we just have to plug this in the back here, right? Just like that. Okay, so we may need to read this. With this, we also got these thermal labels. So we've got to open this up too. Oh, there we go. All right, and that opens this up and gets it ready. So each one of these is a label. So we can print on here like an address. So yeah, okay, cool. Let's set that there. We're gonna need that. We also received this, which I do believe is a holder. Oh yeah, look, it's a holder for the, let's set this to the side for a second. And let's just take a look and see what we got here. So I guess we have to put this together. Doesn't look too complicated. All right, here's everything that we got with it. We got two of these. We got one of these. We got that. And a booklet. Yeah, that looks pretty simple. All right, so this goes this way. And then these are gonna fit in here somehow. So I would think they would go like that. Yeah, look. So this, I guess, goes like this. See that? And then this one goes like that. All right. And then this, I think, goes through here like that, and then sets in there like this. Makes sense, right? And then this, I think this goes on the back. I don't really think you need this, but I guess we can just put it on there. Oh, it goes this way. Yeah, all right. We did it. We got it done. All right, so that's that, right? So this would probably be behind this thing, and this would be here. You follow me? That's what I'm thinking, right? So let's move that back a little bit. So I'm thinking that's the setup. Now we've got to download an app, okay? So here we go. All right, I'm thinking that this is what we need. We got to go to our phone app, open up our thing, put it to photo, put it to forward. And I do believe that I'm going to scan this. So let's see if we get it. Yeah, there it is. All right, so now it should open up. And we should get the app. There it is. There's the print app. Get it? I got to double click. All right, so it should load now. Let's open it. Okay, it wants to know where I'm at. Yeah, okay. And check the bottom of the machine and select the model. All right, so let's look at the model. All right, so it says RW403B. That's 403. This is the one we want up here. Okay, understood. So we're going for, the model is RW403B. That's the one we want. All right, so we've locked that in, right? We looked under here. We saw the model. We clicked on it. Now we know where we're at. Now we can confirm that. All right, so search for device. Well, I think I might have to turn the device on. All right, so let's go down to let's go to the bottom of it, right here. Let's turn it on. So it's now on, right? I don't know what happened there. All right, please try the following. Ensure the printer is powered on. Connect the power cable, blah, 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 blah. Okay, it's unable to locate. Let's go back. Let's click it. Let's confirm again, because this time we have the power on. All right, looks like it's found. Okay, so here we are. The model is found. Searching for device. Okay, let's see. Let's connect it. All right, next it says on the home page, tap the model to access the device on the connection page. Okay, next. All right, cloud printing, quick printing, scan printing. Cloud printing, quick printing. All right, next. All right, click to create below to begin your tag creation journey. Okay. Here you can choose the label creation method. Okay. Let's take a look. Okay, next. Here, all right, font, icons, borders to unlock creative. Okay, next. Okay. Edit complete. All right, next. All right, so here we are. Last step. Super easy setup. Printing. Tap print button below, start printer. Okay, right, I'll give it a go. Concludes the beginner's guide. You should encounter any issues during the printer. Okay, understood. All right, so here we are, we're in. Okay, so we've got a test thing. I don't know what's that's doing that, but it says here to create, recommended templates. All right, let's look at the templates. Hot. All right, look at that. Look at all those things you can do. So let's just do, let's do this. Oh, wait a minute, let's see. Let's look at them. These are a bunch of thank yous. Look at this, there's a lot of stuff on here. Fragile, handle with care. Looks like you can get some colors too. Oh, let's try this one. It says, thank you for purchasing. All right, thank you for purchasing, size 2 inch, paper output direction up, number of collections, 17 copies. All right. It says use. All right, let's try that. All right, cool. All right, so then we just hit print. But to do that, I've got to, all right, so this is pulled out. All right, tips. Printer out of paper. Okay, confirm. So now we've got to get the paper in there. So how does this open? Or maybe we just feed it in. Maybe that's it. All right, so here we go. I'm just gonna try. That's sticky. I don't think, that's one of them. So let me set that over here. All right, so I'm gonna pull this off. All right, now I've got to feed this in there, right? So I'm just gonna feed it in like this. There we go. I gotta get back to the setting. There we are. So let's see if this will print this. All right, so let's hit print. Print. Printing one page, printing complete. It is? I don't see nothing. All right, maybe I don't have that in all the way. So let me see. All right, we got to get it in there. Get it in there. All right, now let's see if we get it. All right, let's go back. Let's hit print. Hang on. Here we go. Oh, look, it did. Wow. Check it out. Thank you for purchasing. That was cool. All right, we figured out how to do it. All right, let's go back. Let's go back. So we just got to go back. So here we can look at all these different things. All right, so we got a bunch of birthday ones. Let's do happy birthday right here. Let's do that one. Let's use that. And let's just print it. Ready? Here we go. Bam, done. All right, so that's working pretty good. There's happy birthday, there's our happy birthday. It kind of got off track, but it still worked pretty good. So yeah, I think this thing's pretty cool. I think we're gonna have fun with it. We just have to, you know, when we need to do some birthdays, we're gonna have to pull the machine out and use it. Now all we gotta do is figure out how to get it out of there. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check out our other awesome videos. Hang on. Check out our other awesome videos, and we just want to say thank you. Peace out.